Hello friends, this is one of my Red Hat Linux server 8.5 and here you can see I have created a user Duke and I have added the wheel group for the Duke user to use the sudo command. But whenever I am using the sudo command here, sudo-i in Duke users prompt, you can see it is giving me error. Duke is not in the sudo file. It is giving me error and not allowing me to use the sudo command. So in this video, we are going to fix this error and we will try to solve. So friends, before starting this video, let me tell you, I am going to start a new batch for RHCSA full course. The course fee is only 999. Do register yourself using the registration link. You can also scan the QR code to register yourself. So let me start the video again. So here you can see I have created the user Duke, added the wheel group for the user Duke, and while I am using the sudo command, it is not working. It is giving me error. So let me show you if wheel group is there or not. Use cat /etc group pipe grep wheel. Wheel group is there. Duke is the part of the wheel group. Still, it is not allowing me. So here we have to use the vi sudo command to check. Go down. This is the configuration file where wheel group is there. You can see in here allow people in group wheel to run all commands. And here wheel group is there but line is commented. That's why wheel group is not working there. And you can see also here admin group is added. Wheel group is commented and admin group is added. That's why we have to remove the wheel group there from the Duke user and we have to add the admin user. Or we can comment out the admin group and we can also uncomment the wheel group. That will also work. But what we'll do, we will not change here. We will only remove the wheel group from the Duke user and we will add the admin group. Exit without saving. Now, what we'll do, we will remove the wheel group first using the gpassword command. Gpassword -d, then username is Duke here, and the group is wheel. Use ID, you can see wheel group removed. Now we'll add the admin group here using the usermod command. Usermod -a for add, minus capital G because we are going to add a secondary group for the Duke user. Then group name, that is admin, and the username is Duke. ID Duke. You can see admin group added here. Now let me check again. Still it is not working. Let me log in with another session. Clear the screen, increase the font. Okay. Now use sudo-i, give the Duke user's password. Now you can see, now I am able to use the sudo command in Duke user. Please remember, whenever we will use the sudo command or sudo-i, we have to provide the Duke user's password, not root user's password. We have to provide the Duke user's password. And you can see here, we have solved the error and sudo command started working in Duke user. So this is the way we have to use while fixing this type of error. So friends, thanks for watching. Let me tell you again, please do register yourself for the new batch. Thanks for watching.